everybody, and welcome to the 2021 Beneteau Cup here in San Diego, hosted by San Diego Yacht Club, Beneteau, South Coast Yachts. We have 4 classes of boats racing today. The first 36.7 in their one design fleet. We've got a large first series class also racing together, and then 2 Oceanus cruising classes. Smaller boats up to about 43 feet, and then the larger boats up to about 55 feet. So really fun racing. We've got 38 boats in the regatta, and we're racing off of Coronado Island here in the beautiful Pacific, with Point Loma in the distance. So thanks to Eddie Frank, who's shooting me right now. We're going to have some great videos, some great pictures of the whole event, and then a really fun party this evening at San Diego Yacht Club. And then more racing tomorrow, and which is going to be an inside the bay race. We call it a tour of the bay race, random leg. And then awards afterwards, so lots of fun awards. Big thanks to Doyle Sales in San Diego for supplying all of our awards, and all of our other sponsors, Novamar Marine Insurance, Shelter Island Boatyard. That sounds like we're starting, so we got to go.